country. Today, we will be giving you a breakdown of the progress recorded by operatives of the Nigerian Police Force in quelling the menace of banditry, kidnapping, and other sorts of heinous crimes occurring across the country. In today's briefing, we have a total of 26 arrested suspects, 7 AK-47 rifles recovered, 9 automatic pistols, 1,804 rounds of live ammunition, 1 POS machine, assorted illicit drugs, and 1 Mazda saloon car. The first case today is conspiracy, criminal conspiracy, transborder gun running, and illegal fabrication of firearms. Maros Mancha, aka Addis Mail, Justin Abugoye, Joseph Zingo Ayuba, Davro Chuang, Yakubu Benedict, Ibrahim Maji, Majahid Mohammed Kiari, Buhari Musa, Lucy Oga, Apolina Abugoye. Are they here? In Obudu local government area of Cross River State, we usually get supplies of AK-47 rifles, ammunition, and rocket launchers from that Mahot Jatua to some rebels and other criminal elements in our neighboring countries. A former police officer, and he had sold it to Justin instead of handing it over to the police for keep. He had locally fabricated and sold some guns to Justin. Another of the suspects, Ibrahim Maji, happens to be a middleman who was present when Justin had sold 3 AK-47 rifles to 1 Sheto Dogo, and had collected another AK-47 rifle and 16 live ammunition to personally deliver to Sheto Dogo before his apprehension. 1 Lucy Oga, the female lover and accomplice of Justin, who usually accompanies him to take delivery and supply of the arms and ammunition, as well as 1 Paulina Abugoye, his younger sister, who assists him in delivering arms to buyers, were also arrested. A factory operated by the said Joseph Zinko Ayuba in his house at Kuru Jos, Plateau State, where he fabricates arms, was also discovered. Another suspect, Davor Chuang, who supplies ammunition to Joseph Zinko, was also arrested, and while in custody, he was contacted by Majahid Muhammad Kiari and Buhari Musa, who requested to purchase 2 AK-47 rifles from him. They agreed to meet him to inspect the rifles and were immediately arrested by the operatives of IRT at the agreed meeting point. Interrogation revealed that Majahid had earlier been in business with Davor Chuang and had in the past purchased 50 rounds of 9mm live ammunition from him and trusted him to deliver this time around also. Gentlemen of the press, this is another case of arrest of gun runners. You discover that every time we had press briefing, we used to parade suspects concerning gun running. This is another syndicate, and this time around, we were able to discover a big factory, machines recovered from them. I'm going to send the pictures of the house and the machines recovered in this factory to you on your platform so that I can have the pictures, because you have not moved them from Plateau to Abuja. But I'm going to share the pictures with.
I am Joseph Zinkur Ayuba.
How old are you?
I'm 45 years old, sir.
35?
45 years.
45?
45.
45?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which state are you from?
I'm from Plateau State.
Plateau State. Where do you reside? Where do you live?
I live at Jos South local government area of Plateau State.
Okay. How did you get that factory? How did you come about the factory?
I am an engineer welding fabrication.
Engineer?
Welding and fabrication.
Welding and fabrication?
Yes, sir.
How did you get those machines?
It's meant for circular business. That is, you can use it. Most people went and buy it to use it to rebore block engine, to create a shaft and some other things. We used to even fabricate and install company equipment. That is company.
For how long have you been using them to make guns? For how long have you been using them?
Sir?
For how long have you been using them to make guns?
2019, sir.
2019?
Yes, sir.
Can you remember how many guns you have produced so far from that factory?
It's only 19 pieces because that is not my work. I used to do my...
But you are aware that they have produced 19 rifles so far?
Yes, sir.
You are not the only one operating the machines? You have somebody else operating the machines?
I am the only one, sir.
You are the only one?
Yes, sir.
And so far you've been able to produce 19 since 2019?
Yes, sir.
1919. Is it because you started 1919 you are giving us figure 19?
No, sir.
Okay, apart from rifles, how many pistols have you fabricated?
No, I mean the pistol. That is what I mean.
You have made 19 pistols?
Yes, sir.
Then how many AK, how many rifles so far?
I don't fabricate any one again, sir.
Okay, you pass and go runners again. Modo Aruna, 28 years. Where is he? Modo Aruna, Buba Rua, 30 years. Where are they? Operatives of IRT received intelligence on a group of persons suspected to be involved in arms dealing and kidnapping at Sutai, Bali local government area of Taraba State. The operatives buckled down and arrested 2 persons identified as Modo Aruna, male 28 years, and Buba Roa, male 30 years, both at Taraba State. Subsequent interrogation and investigation revealed that Buba Roa had been in possession of 12 AK-47 rifles about 2 years ago, but was intercepted by police operatives while returning from an operation and had fled and managed to escape with just 2 AK-47 rifles. The other suspect, Modo Aruna, confessed to being in possession of a single AK-47 rifle and also belonging to a syndicate that specializes in gun running and cattle rustling. Efforts have been intensified to arrest other members of this syndicate and terminate the entire network that is causing hardship to our innocent Nigerians. We have them here. Boko, Modo Aruna, and Buba Aruna. Give them the mic. Who is Oga? You hear Pidgin? Kada kada, speak that kada kada when you hear, please. Do Allah. Where do you live? Where do they live? Eh? Ukari.
To. A donga, bayan donga. I go sit down for donga. My place.
Okay. Why did you start this business of selling guns?
Ban taɓa sana'a da shi ba.
What did you talk? You know sell them?
I don't know. I don't know his name.
You don't know his name? Okay, but you buy gun from that person. You dey use am to protect your property. But you know, it's an offense to carry gun when you no get license. Tell her, make it here, make you no say no everything talk.
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Okay. But with this one, what we get here now, Lola, give back to Buba Arua. Abdul Karim, Abdul Kadri, A.K. Kato. Kato, Kuzoku Zamana, Tuna Zaria area, operatives of the SIS from Force Intelligence Department IRT Force Headquarters, Abuja, swung into action and arrested one Falalo Abdulmumin, male of Audi Village, 30 years, who admitted and confessed to belonging to a gang of kidnappers numbering over 20 in strength, and one Abdul Karim, Abdul Kadri, A.K. Kato, who happens to be their informant. Upon arrest, Falalo also confessed to having actively participated in 2 kidnapping operations with his gang, where they took the victims to Gake Forest, held them captive for 21 days, and later collected a ransom of 1.1 million, and was given 50,000 naira as his share. The suspect confessed to own one AK-47 rifle, which he paid 300,000 naira, and Yaroro, his gang leader, has completed the balance before the acquisition of the weapon and is in current possession of this weapon at their stronghold in the bush. The suspect, Falalu, also confessed that he and his gang members, headed by Yaroro, had met at Dumbi Dusen Aba and proceeded to the residence of one Ado Shaibu at the Dorai village in Kaduna State, where they shot and killed the said Ado Shaibu and his entire family, eradicating his lineage because they had approached him to join their gang and he had refused. The suspect's residence was searched and a locally made gun that he kept at home was recovered by the operatives. The other suspect, Abzat Aliyu, upon interrogation confessed that he joined the kidnapping gang headed by Yaro and later invited his gang to kidnap his younger sister Ladidi because he had earlier begged her to borrow him the sum of 50,000 naira, but she refused. This one is vengeance. After a kidnap, his father and his sister's husband had paid the sum of 1 million naira for her release and received the sum of 100,000 naira from his gang as his share of the ransom. The investigation is ongoing. Efforts and horn and measures have been put in place to ensure the arrest of every member of this notorious gang. Pushed him to join their gang, and those who refused, and they went after him, killed him. 30. Why did you kill Ado Shaibu and the family? What did he talk? Hello.
Shekara nawa kana yin wannan kidnapping?
Kwata bara na soma. Wani shekara biyu kenan bai gama hawan na biyu na harɗu.
Say about 2 years now.
About 2 years. Okay, give the phone to Hamza Liu. You do kidnap your own sister, your younger sister, Ladidi.
Ladidi. Ine ne upoma dinta. Ne upoma. Upoma biyu. Ne ma yaroro. Yarwana na ce ta bani bashi kudi zan yi noma ta ce.
Wait, talk. There's no time.
He requests his sister to borrow him money.
No. 50,000 naira and your sister refused. So you arrange his kidnapping?
1 million.
And you collected 1 million. Thank you, let them go. Notorious kidnapper You recollect that the Ekiti command had arrested some suspected kidnappers who are responsible for the kidnapping of the children and staff of Apostolic Faith School in Ekiti. After the arrest of those ones, our operatives here did not relent. They continued to comb the area and they spread their tentacles on this area to arrest other members of the syndicate was involved in the ungodly act. The suspect, Shehu Taylor, male 27 years, was arrested in Bugu area, Edo local government area, Kwara State, and he was identified by one of the victims of the kidnapping to be one of the kidnappers. He confessed to being in a 4-man kidnapping gang responsible for the kidnapping of the children and staff of Apostolic Faith School in Ekiti, and that they had intercepted the vehicle, conveyed the victims along the road, and upon interception, they killed the driver and burnt his body while the victims were taken to their camp. The suspect also confessed to have gone into kidnapping because of hidiness and has been involved for over 2 years and had taken part in 2 other kidnappings at Taraba State and Adamawa State respectively, where he received a share of 1 million naira and 200,000 naira respectively. He claims he did not receive anything for the kidnapping carried out in Ekiti, but he was involved. Even if he has collected, he won't say it like that, he won't confess like that. Where is he? Shehu. They killed the driver and set him ablaze. Can you tell us where are you from? Where are you from?
Daga Kwara. Daga Kwara, Patigi.
Patigi. You live there or you are from that place?
He lives there.
Which state are you from?
Adamawa.
He's from Adamawa State.
You are from Adamawa, you live in Niger, and you went to Ekiti to go and kill somebody. You can see the movement. It's just like that. You can see 5 in number. Yes. Where are others?
Sara Sona Daji.
The rest are still in the bush.
In the bush. How did you come? How did you escape? How did you get to where they arrested you in Kwara? Bugu area in Edo local government Kwara State. How did you get to Kwara from Ekiti?
Ekiti to muna Kwara. Ina Kwara dai dama aiki na wannan. Kwara daga gida an ga kama ne.
That he went back home where he lives.
Where he went back to Niger?
No, to Kwara. That is where he was arrested.
Okay. So why did you decide to kill the driver and burnt the driver?
So wasu suna jin haushi ne. Wasu suna jin haushi ne waɗanda ke tare da su. Waɗanda abokan aiki ba suna jin haushi.
That his remaining colleagues are angry. That is why they killed him.
Angry for what?
To abinda dama dai suna jin haushi ne, ban san abinda an mahari ba. Cani ban san abinda an maharin suka jin haushi ne ba.
That you don't know why they are angry over the driver.
Did you take any drug? Were you on drug?
Ba mu sha kwaya ba. Ba mu sha kwaya ba.
That they are not on drugs.
Then how do you approach when you are not on drugs? How do you have the courage to kill when you are not on drugs? What is the power? What's giving you that courage to kill a fellow human being? The inspiration. Journalists don't borrow his language.
Ba mu sha kwaya ba dai abun da suna jin haushi ne dama.
The way they talk safe.
Shi da ban sani ba abin da yake cikin su.
That they are not on drugs and they are always.
Wait, is the drug the same thing as choir? Or Igbo?
All this choir.
The name is choir.
To da mun ka karbi waɗannan kuɗi an ka bugo min daga gida an ka ce yaro na ba lafiya. Daga nan sai ni basu ne sai ni koma. Daga nan sai sun ka kashe shi.
What is he saying?
He said when they killed the driver, collected the money, he now received a message that his son is sick. So he has to leave and go and treat his child.
How your son no go sick?
With the money collected, yes.
Payment of ransom. I will always tell family members of victims to always involve security operatives. We know how to go about it. We can talk, negotiate to make sure we rescue those innocent individuals. But let me assure you, whatever it is, we always get them arrested. It's better for us to adopt and place our strategies to rescue these victims first before any other thing. People started attacking the government, attacking police and other security agencies when they said ransom was paid to rescue the students in Nekiti. The family members did not involve the police in any payment. You are not aware of that. But the fact in issue is that we got more information on them and we went after them. In Nekiti Command, I've been informed that some of them have been charged to court in Nekiti. This is the one IoT operatives have been able to arrest. He will still go to court because the jurisdiction of the offense is Ekiti State. So I'm sure they are still going to prosecute him and join him with others who are before the court of law in Ekiti for necessary prosecution. We want to urge you that when a case of this nature occurs, please involve us. We know how to go about it. I can assure you with our experts we have, with the little equipment we have, we can still perform wonders. Always involve us. They will work on your psyche not to tell the police, not to tell any security operatives. That is their own way. That is their own strategy. Then we have our own strategy. Always involve us. We know how to go about it. Our main target is to rescue all victims on earth. They must be alive and to be united with their families. We don't want a soul to be lost in Nigeria. The soul of a Nigerian is so important to us, and we will do whatever we should to protect all Nigerians. It's quite unfortunate Shehu and Co have killed the driver, but we are happy that we have the students and the officials with us. We are still working hard to make sure we get those who are responsible for the killings of the traditional rulers in Nekiti and in Kwara State. We are closing in on them, and we will surely get them. Return show chance to the extent that they are buoyant enough to buy cars at the detriment of residents of the Federal Capital Territory. Sunday Echo, when you hear your name, just shout, "Sir," and not be your mate too. Lenora Angel Agabi. I veto you, let them face the camera. Let them face the camera. Social etiquette, this location. Because they must see them so that they are neighbors. We know them. So when you see their neighbors, and you see their friends, you will know they are the same thing. You can shout. I think anti-violence are supposed to have some suspect to us. Where has been that team? Where are they? Bring them. It's the same thing. Bring them. They say their husbands are coming. They are women. They are going to tell you the story behind this business they do. Their family business, so wife and husband they do. You see that by the time they tell you the story, you link the story up with the security advice we've been giving to you. You don't patronize unmarked vehicles. Don't patronize.
My name is Sunday Ekwo.
Tell us the story of your business. Your nickname.
My nickname is Black.
Is what?
Black.
Black.
Yes, sir. I'm from Karimo, Abuja. I'm doing shifting chair. Yes, sir. When I was coming the money, I will carry 4 people in back, and plus 1 woman for front with me, and I will look for 1 person to carry more. In the process that I carry the another person for front. When we go small, and I tell my fellow person that is in front with me, say, I better shift, adjust for me small, let me shift the chair, because they are tight. In the process when they adjust, that is where the person phone can lose. It's only what I can be able to do. It's only phone that I'm stealing, sir. I don't do anything more than that.
Him, and that is the vehicle recovered from him. The proceed, that Mazda, the proceed of this dirty business. That ash color Mazda behind. That color, yes. What's the one question, please? One chance. The victim was bold enough to mark him this one, to struggle. He's a mark. It's another proceed of one chance. Where's the PS? That's the PS they use. We are going there. We are going to give your wife.
It's not my husband. The POS is my fiancé POS. He uses it for side business. His work is interrupt work. So when he has work, like
what?
Interrupts, like all those blocks.
Interlocking.
Yes.
Okay, interrupts. Okay.
Yes, he uses for his own business. I was in my house when they come to arrested me, and they now saw the POS. They pick it. It's not mine. I've never known how to.
Who has the POS?
It's my fiancé POS.
Your fiancé POS.
Yes.
Okay. What job does he do?
He has, as in he's working in the site work, as in he works those blocks that they put on the floor, on the ground, interlock work. Yes, and he's using it too.
What's the business between the 2 of you?
I used to help his girlfriend at home.
This is his own girlfriend, or wife?
He's his girlfriend.
Okay.
Before early last year, I was working with them. Early last year, they used to do shifting chair, 1 chance. Shifting chair.
1 chance. Oh, you are aware of shifting chair, 1 chance.
Yeah.
You know, hear another grammar. Shifting chair, 1 chance. 1 chance. Okay.
That one they complete in the motor, in the vehicle that they used to work in the. That was the work I used to follow them before I work. But
you are doing that business too with them.
Yes, I used to.
The only thing they say the PS not be your own.
Yes, it's my.
So how sweet is the business?
My fiance advised me to stop it.
Before you stopped, how sweet? What have you gained?
I have not gained anything because the money they give me is even only
small
money.
How much do they give you?
At times 7,000, at times 5,000 naira. So my fiance advised me to stop. True.
Okay. Give the wife 1 chance.
Yes, it's a.
How do you do it? Use the mic very well, don't worry. We go sanitize them.
We carry a passenger. We carry 1 person. 1 person.
1 house, please.
4 at the back. So the next person will enter the front car. When they enter the front car, they will now ask you to shift they will adjust the seats to the front. So when the 2 people are sitting on the seat, their leg will be touching the dashboard.
The dashboard.
Then the driver will say you should shift the seats, go back so that they will be balanced for the seat. So on the way shifting the chair, maybe you will ask the woman, let me help you and hold your back so that you can shift the chair very well. So on the process, we remove the phone. So that is what we do.
What is your name, madam?
My name is Ngozi.
Ngozi?
Yes.
Ngozi she's the one that has recruited all these ladies. She's a very brilliant person. She recruited all these ladies, you can see them. And she has more students. She has more staff that are working for her across the country. Who is the owner of that vehicle? You are the owner of the vehicle. When did you buy the vehicle? Now I purchase they give you.
Now I purchase they give me, sir.
Husbands announcing the arrival of husbands. Instrumentally?
So now the work I use pay, I will not lie, sir.
Oh, now this work.
Yes, sir.
He say, wait now. He said that the one chance work. He take pay for the vehicle. He said he no go lie.
Yes, sir.
Not, I don't think it's right purchase because he said the man died and he has paid finish. I wouldn't know, but now I just confess that he will not lie to me as that the GO that he used the money from one chance to pay for this vehicle.
It's true, sir.
Husbands, give the men. How many people you don't do one chance for bros? Miss call.
Hello,
How
sir?
many people you don't do one chance for?
I can't remember, sir.
You can't remember?
No, sir.
Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
I am Monday Energy David.
Pardon?
Monday Energy David.
Monday Energy David.
Yes, sir.
Where do you live?
I live in Kageni.
Kageni where?
Kageni Kuba Express.
Kageni Kuba Express.
Yes, sir.
Zuba people, Abuja people see their faces.
Yes, sir.
So when you know people that are close to them, be careful. Be careful. You can imagine the number of people they have recruited. They have it like a school to train them. This woman, step forward. Yeah, stay here. Stay forward. They step forward, match. This one, na professor in the business, recruiting them and teaching them how to go about it. And I think Nigerians take note of this, not only in the Federal Capital Territory, in all our big cities. One chance is everywhere there now. Lagos, Port Harcourt, Asaba, in Delta, and most of the big cities we have, take note, including Ibadan, all our big cities, take note. Shifting seats are one chance. Shifting seats are one chance. You are just narrated how they do. They will ask you, two of you, to sit in the front. They are adjusting the seat. Then you know you are going to have difficulty because you are two. The space will be too tight for the two of you. They will ask you to please bring your bag, let me help you, and they will steal your phone. From there, the business, they go small, small. That should be one of the strategies, not many. But can you tell us another strategy you use, apart from the shifting seats, one chance? Which one again? Lady, can you tell us the systems and the strategies you use to do your business on one chance? Put the mic for Matt. All the world won't see you for years, for London, everybody won't see you. You are popular. Your name first.
My name is Rita.
Rita what?
Rita Geoffrey.
How old are you?
25 years, sir.
25. Which state are you from?
Plateau State.
Plateau State.
Yes, sir.
Where are you living?
Karimo.
Karimo, in Abuja?
Yes.
When did you get to Abuja here?
I'm 2 years now, sir.
2 years.
Yes, sir.
Who brought you to Abuja, or what brought you to Abuja?
I come with my sister. We come for work.
You come for work?
Yes, sir.
So where you come to work?
Now house help.
House help to work?
Yes.
So you can start this business of one chance?
As I go the house help, the money they used to pay me, the money is 10,000, and I couldn't have money to send for village and take care of myself. That's how I met one lady who introduced me to the shifting chair work.
Shifting chair work. Yes. You can see the concept. I'm sure researchers are going to carry out some researches on this. So now if I want to do a PhD, it's a good topic. Shifting chair work. Okay, go ahead, continue.
So it's from there. When we go, we sit at the back. Then the other lady will sit at the front. Then when the other lady, the victim enter, they will confuse her and collect her phone. Yes.
How do you confuse them?
They will tell her to shift one chair under. Then when she start, she will shift it. Then they will say, let me help you hold your bag. Then the other person that we are together we hold the bag.
That is the only strategy you use. No method again to do one chance. Any other method?
Then I come follow one person, Sonny.
Huh?
Sonny.
Sonny?
Yes.
You follow and do waiting.
I follow and
do one chance.
Yes.
Which method you use? With Sonny? How you do it?
That one I will just sit down for the front. They are the one that they will force the victim and collect her ATM.
They will force the victim. How do they force the victim?
They will keep her for ground when they hold her. When she enter, only her.
That's another method. They forceful.
They will tell her to sit down. Then they will press her. Then they will collect her ATM and give me to go and withdraw money and come and give them.
So how many of these you don't do? You?
I just follow them 3 times, sir.
3 times?
Then I stopped.
But I was told somebody died one time with you.
I don't know that one, sir.
Somebody died in that operation, one of your own operations.
She did not die for my friend. I don't see anybody.
But somebody died.
Sir.
You hear somebody don't die?
Yes, I heard.
But not for your hand.
No, sir.
But now do operation for him before he die.
I don't know whether the lady died.
Now you can know.
I don't know, sir.
You don't know?
Yeah, no, sir.
But you hear say somebody don't die.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
When they arrested me, now I hear say person.
Now here you hear.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
You don't born Biki?
Yes, sir.
How many?
1, and I get belly.
You get belly now?
Yes, sir.
Headline: pregnant woman arrested for 1 shifting chair 1 chance.
Sir, but I stopped the work.
You don't?
Sir.
Don't it was?
5,000, 7,000, and the other one.
Now, their story is long. We can't waste our time on their story. We have gotten what we should get from them. But the message is, you notice that most of the vehicles they use are not commercial vehicles. They are not marked vehicles. They are not the vehicles the FCDA has marked for commercial purposes. Please stop patronizing unregistered or unmarked commercial vehicles. Go to registered parks and garages across our cities in Nigeria. All these operations were carried out by using unmarked vehicles, not commercial vehicles, not boat, not Uber, not all these apps. Stop staying by the roadside and looking for free rides. It is not good. You can see. And there are many. We are still going after many of them. Many of them have not been arrested, which means they are still out there looking for praise, looking for victims up and down. Don't fall victims of these smart, quote and unquote, smart ones. We call it shifting chair 1 chance. We learn every day. I've never had it in my life. I'm sure people must have heard this one. This who? Who is Oga? You. Oh yeah. How did you start? How did you involve your wife?
My name is Chukwudi Okoli.
Chukwudi waiting.
Okoli.
Oko?
Okoli.
How old are you?
52 years.
Use the mic, please. See the way I do my own.
52 years, sir.
52. Where are you from?
From Anambra State.
Where in Anambra?
Ezinifite.
Huh?
Ezinifite, Nnewi.
Ezinifite, Nnewi. That's where I did my national service, Nnewi. And they're hardworking people. Well, they're hardworking people. Okay. When did you come to Abuja?
I come to Abuja 2001.
You've been living in Abuja since 2001?
Yes, sir.
When did you start One Chance business?
Last year.
Last year?
Yes, sir.
Why and how?
Sir, this my woman. Used to cook food for Karimu market. So along the line, the shop catch fire.
Okay.
So where the shop catch fire for that last gate, where they say building material and electronics. So along the line, it don't meet up again because all the things were there for the shop catch fire. So I go and collect a loan for my woman for grooming. I collect 100,000 naira loan. So along the line, you know, every weekend they used to come and collect the money every weekend. So I meet one boy, this very man, Sunday. They come and meet me for my wife's shop. So I tell him, he tell me, say, after we go see. I say, what do we go see? He say, later in the day, you get what we go discuss. Because now you say how Satan. So
okay, how do you operate now? Which method you use?
Sir, when they carry me go to work now, if they stop, if they see a girl, a lady, they will say me enter the motor.
Lady the real.
So the only lady they carry.
You see how?
The lady they go there in front of the motor. So if they move like this, they go you go hold and say, okay, come. What they will carry and come down for the seat, for that floor of the sheet. So when you carry and come, you say how much, you go bring the purse. If any money were there, you go bring them. So along the line, if you get MTN, you go ask her how much were there, you go withdraw.
So your wife to join you to do the business too?
Nearly once.
But you don't do them?
Yes, sir.
So how much, they see when you do operation like that, how much? Can you tell us the idea of what you always get?
The first day where I follow them go, now 10,000 they give me.
Now they give you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all right. Madam, you have anything to say? Give a mic. He said one talk. Who is this man to you?
It's my husband.
What's your name?
My name is Chibozo.
Use the mic the way I use them.
My name is Chibozo Korea.
Which state are you from?
I'm from Abia State.
Abia State?
Yes.
Where in Abia?
From Umuahia.
Umuahia.
Yes.
Okay. When did you come to Abuja?
I come to Abuja since the year 2000.
2000?
Yes, sir.
And your husband came 2001. So you are here before your husband?
Yes. He married me in the year of 2002.
2002?
Yes.
But you came before him to Abuja?
Yes.
Okay. What's your involvement in this business? What's your involvement?
It's not my business, sir. I have a shop where I'm selling food in Karimo, last gate.
Okay.
So I have sold food for good 18 years. So my shop burned.
Okay.
When it burned, I collected loan from Groomy to meet up. Along the line, I didn't meet up. I was in house since then. Not
one in the front. They will still stop again to carry another one in the front to make two in the front, 4 at the back. Tell them. Wait, make you finish your own first now. Finish your own, madam. Finish your own.
When you see that motor is full, so maybe see 2 people, there is no need entering 2 people at the front. So that is how you know. When you see maybe 5 people in the vehicle, you know.
Don't them again. Which one again? Any sign again? When you enter the vehicle, what another sign if you see, if you notice?
There is no sign. Only for maybe they will tell you to shift the chair.
Shift the chair?
Yes, when you see the
get the message.
Yes.
Overloading, 1. Second one, shift the chair. The chair.
When you cannot know their motto. Yes, you can know. Because when you are stand on the way to stop car, you only see them, the back, 3 people. The front, 1 woman. The front, 1 woman.
But the front must always be a woman.
A front must be a woman.
The front seat must be a woman.
Yes, sir.
So they will not ask you to join again. A person named a woman,
yes,
they join again, not a man.
Yes.
So that you don't go say, I'm not going to sit down with man. So woman, yes, is very easy. Take note of all these things. Very important. Overloading 2 or 3 at the back. It's very clear. 3 or 4 at the back. Then 1 in the front. There's no need for you to go and park yourself like Titus again. They will tell you shift. You will hear them. That's what we call shifting chair. Then you notice that the front seat must be a woman that will be in the front. They don't pick men in the front. Now woman go be for front. So when you see vehicle will carry woman for front and 4 or 3 for back, make it pass. Don't be in a haste to join that kind of a vehicle. You cannot know their vehicles except these signs we have given to you. Is important. Thank you, return them. I'm done with them. No representative intelligence. Arrested 1 Zubairu Sulaiman. Zubairu Sulaiman, where is he? Nakara man. I hear yes sir from their side now. On the activities of some bandits called Gwandara Male, who is having kidnapped victims in his camp in Katari village, Forest, Kaduna State. Katari is that junction before Kaduna along Abuja-Kaduna Expressway. This is one of those who are terrorizing the place. And he has been given information to them in the camp. The suspect was intercepted, and of course, based on our intelligence, he has been the one giving information to these bandits and kidnappers in their camps. And so he gives more information about their targets, their victims, and based on our own intelligence, we were able to arrest him. Zubairu, which state are you from? Give a mic.
Kuna jina ba? Wannan abokina ne.
Okay.
Muna tare da shi. Amma da dadewa ne. Inda na san baban shi, na san maman shi, na san har gidan nasu. Muna tare da shi tsawon shekara 5. Ina hudda da shi. Da baban nashi, da maman nashi.
He said his name is Zubairu. That's the other Zubairu. He asked Zubairu. He's asking Zubairu if they have paid a ransom.
Da na tambaye shi sun biya sai ce ma a'a ba su biya su ba. Sai na ce ma a'a abokina ya akai. Sai ce in ba su biya su ma zai iya kashe su. Sai na ce kai abokina.
Hello? So yes, yes. So what he said is, he now asked him if he has paid, if they have paid ransom. He said no. But according to the story, the fact is this: that he was the one that asked Zubairu that if they does not pay that money, he should kill the victims. That's what he said. Yes.
That's all right. That's all right. It's in the speech here. I'm going to share this fact with you so that you can have more information. But if you need to sell his house and leave Abuja immediately, or risk being kidnapped, on sensing the severity of the matter, he filed a legal report, and the operatives of Force Intelligence Department (STS) quickly swung into action and arrested one Eju Divine, female 27 years of age. Investigation revealed the suspect as a close family friend and neighbor of the complainant, and that she had initially collected the sum of 14 million naira from him under the guise of operating a crayfish business with the promise of investing it on his behalf in his business and returning it with profit. She had earlier done so to several other people under the same guise, and after lavishing the obtained sum of money and realizing she could not pay back, she decided to defraud the complainant to pay the people she had owed. She had falsely obtained an estimated sum of 24 million naira, and upon realization of her inability to pay back, she started to scare tactics to drive the complainant out of town so he could not request for the money back. She had even advised him to go ahead and sell the house as suggested by the supposed anonymous text after he had told her about the threats and the text. Beware of family friends. They could be dangerous. Divine. Now, what's your name? Tell us your name.
My name is Divine Afoke.
Where are you from?
I'm from Delta.
Where in Delta?
Uwie.
Who?
Uwie.
Where? How old are you?
I'm 27.
Are you married or not?
I'm married.
When did you get to Abuja?
2022.
2022. Yeah. What brought you to Abuja?
Marriage. I came with my husband.
Where is the husband?
For now, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes.
Before you were arrested?
When he got to know of what happened, he had
fled?
upset. No, he didn't run. He didn't know anything about
Upset.
what was happening. Yes.
Was he not aware of all these your tactics?
No, sir.
What have you been doing with the money you have realized so far? Almost 30 million you are demanding. You are talking of 30 million. What have you done with the money?
Okay. At first, I took it for the purpose of business. But when I couldn't meet up, I used it to pay people that I have already told that I will give them their interest.
This man, they said, is a family friend, that you know him and you are a neighbor to him.
Yes.
What led you to this tactics to obtain money from him? Why?
I took it at first for the purpose of business. But since it didn't work out, I didn't know what to do again. So
you actually now did that so that he can run away, so that you will not remember the money again. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Is that good enough?
It's not good, sir.
As a Nigerian, as an African man, why must you do that to your neighbor and a family friend?
I'm sorry, sir.
Well, that's another lesson for all of us. Keep to your immediate family. No, they move for friend up and down. Your wife, your children don't do you. If you get siblings, you do.
Okay. Number one, I don't see them online. They are people that I know.
All of them are your friends and not people to you.
Friends, yes. And I just speak to them, and they didn't give me the money once. It was in bits. The man stays around. We don't have any sexual relationship. No, I didn't.
What did you do with the money?
No. Like I said earlier, he is not the only one that I started the business with. So I had to pay people that I had already promised interest.
The one we are talking of money, 30 million. What did you do with this money? Before you repay debt, what did you do with the money you got from them in the first instance? You cannot answer this question. Maybe you are building houses?
No.
What did you do with the money? Humanitarian service?
No, not humanitarian service. No.
You want to talk back?
No.
Anyway, that's all right. Thank you. Collect the mic from him.
Gaskiya ba ni magana da 'yan bindiga. Amma wanda nake magana da shi shine na mada. A garin mu an kai shi dan uwana ne.
He's working with them.
Yana da bindiga amma ba cikin gari yake ba. Yana daji. Ni kuma a gari nake.
Well, for these people, these gun runners, this operation of arms, these are those people that still, don't forget, they kidnap along Benue Enugu Expressway. These four, the other side. Our efforts are now being channeled towards providing adequate security for all our highways. The IGP is trying to review the various operations along our highways so that we can actually tackle some of these armed robbery and highway robberies and kidnapping we have along our major highways in Nigeria. The IGP will make pronouncements as and when due on any operation we're going to have along some of these ways. Perhaps we're going to have some of our SIS operatives to take charge, or the so-called operation highway patrol or safer highway will be resuscitated. But we are channeling our efforts towards providing adequate security for commuters and road users on major highways in Nigeria. We have arrested these ones. They operate on their way and they run back to their camps. But one by one, we are getting them. As we all know, the mandate of securing lives and property of diseases and ridding the country of criminal elements is core. Has charged the men of the force to remain resolute in discharging their duties and ensuring all necessary measures or strategies are being implemented for a safer environment for everyone in this country. Gentlemen of the press.